Do you and your teams find goals as a source of inspiration, of drive, of momentum to move forward, to learn, to grow, and achieve something meaningful? Or do they sometimes fall flat, where perhaps they unintentionally become demotivators, where people maybe end up in shame, feeling like they're less than, that they failed, that they can't find a way forward? So often, even well intended goals fall short because we get stuck on that end metric. And then when it doesn't happen, there is shame in accountability. There is internal narrative that we might have around failing and more. And many of us have likely heard the acronym of SMART when it comes to setting goals. But a different acronym that I heard recently that I remember hearing a long time ago and completely forgot about is AIM, A-I-M. When setting goals, look for three different measures of success. A is what is acceptable when it comes to this goal, this outcome. What is ideal? That might be your BHOG, your big, hairy, audacious goal, like, woo, where we're shooting for the moon, or those stretch goals. And what is the midpoint of that goal? And so when we think about what we're trying to achieve, whether it is sales or performance or any other kind of metric, it is great to look at the I. What is ideal, right? What would be fabulous if we knocked this out of the park? And then look at what is that midpoint, and then what is ultimately acceptable, because it gives people guardrails. And what this does is it actually fosters growth and learning and accountability, and it actually takes failure off the table. When we take failure off the table, people are more willing to take risks, to lean in, and perhaps even be better equipped to hit the midpoint or the ideal goal, rather than just, here's my metric, I've played it safe, I've met it, move on. So my invitation and my challenge for you this week is to look at the goals you have in your life, personally or professionally, and tweak them to the AIM acronym. Look at each goal, identify ideal, identify what's acceptable, and then what is the midpoint. I would love to hear what opens up for you as you put this one into practice. And remember, no matter what kind of goal you have, never ever let anyone dull your sparkle.